Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at a 2019 Boston Whaler 25 Outrage. This 25 Outrage is equipped with the windlass anchor, blue sides, stainless steel rub rail inserts, and maximum horsepower 225s. As we walk aboard this boat, there's a large walk-through, fish box in the floor, transom seating, and a large live well behind the console. At the helm, she has double seats with armrests. There's plenty of room for rod storage and full windshield. There's plenty of seats to be comfortable on this boat, with stainless steel, 3/16 stainless steel rails all around. It holds up to its name, the Unsinkable Legend. For full viewing of this boat and any of our other Boston Whalers, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.